Allow me to introduce L-100 first. With more than 30 years of experience, L-100 is an expert in electronic sensing bathroom products, accounting for over 70% of Taiwanese market share in this field. Now, Ms. Jane Xie, Business Manager of L-100, is going to tell us more about how to upgrade a bathroom to a more automatic and comfortable environment by applying a simple device.
Hi, I'm Jane. So honored to have this opportunity to participate in this event. Jillian's logo combines three elements: air, water, electricity. The purpose of enterprise to specialize in automatic products and development innovation solutions to make life more convenient and save energy. Since the outbreak of COVID-19, we quickly adjust the pace of product development. Introducing Jillian's new product in 2021, a DIY installation, senior-friendly and anti-epidemic helper. COVID-19 has transformed public health around the world. Do you have healthy concern about using restroom during COVID-19? After using the toilet, it's logical impossible for us to wash our hands before and after flushing. Are you concerned about the spread of the virus and bacteria on flusher? So, if you prefer non-touch flushing functionality as only solution to replace entire toilet, do a bigger bathroom revolution and spend a lot of time and money. Don't worry, Jillian got it. Our R&D team developed a retrofit kit so that we can solve your problem with only some simple parts to achieve no-touch flushing. The original design concept of products was especially developed for elderly or people with limited mobility. The simple action for turning and flushing is a burden for elderly or for disabled. If the original toilet is not faulty, but if you want to have a no-touch flushing in public functionality, like train station or an airport, it's only option to replace with the new toilet. The cost of the replacement is too high, and when replace the old toilet with a new induction unit, re-engineering of the pipe work can be very troublesome. Not mention dealing with the contract and a long construction period. Jillian developed a touch-free, easy installation sensor flusher kit. You only need 3 parts: the flusher set, battery box, and controller, and you can easily change the original hand pressure flushing function to with the control type. As you can see, the picture shows our retrofit kit is assembly in the water tank. You only need your hand to control the sensor and flushing, which reduces the contact. The original toilet doesn't need to replace, and you only few parts to need upgrade with the control flushing toilet. No need for a professional, you can complete installation by yourself, save on construction costs. We are pursuing green energy and smarter lifestyle, and working toward more mobile apps links, so that we can control the operation of a controller equipment outside at home and make our life more convenient. Also, we hope we have more opportunity to cooperate with the company in the future. Thank you for your listening.
Thank you very much, Ms. Jane Xie, for your presentation.